Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is driver reuse. Driver reuse means using the same WebDriver session for multiple actions or multiple test steps instead of creating a new browser every time. In real projects, we decide driver reuse based on stability and speed. If we reuse the same driver across many steps, execution becomes faster because browser startup time is saved. But if we reuse too much, tests can become flaky because cookies, cache, and page state carry over. A good practice is reuse the driver within a single scenario or flow. Close the driver after the scenario using quit method to keep tests isolated. In enterprise automation, driver reuse is usually managed by a driver factory or test hooks, but the basic rule is the same. Reuse carefully and always clean up. Now we have a sample script. We will see how driver reuse is been handled. I will run the application. As you can see, I will create a driver only once. In the code, if you see, I have created a driver only once, but I am trying to navigate to two different URLs using the same driver. So first I navigated to Cogmento login page and second I navigated to Cogmento home page. So this proves that driver session is reused. Finally, I quit the driver to clean up the session properly. If you see, if I press enter, driver will be closed. This is how driver reuse works in Selenium automation.